Hello and welcome back. In this class we are just going to make an interesting thing which is called the tool tip. That is the part of the jQuery, but there I'm just going to apply in the bootstrap because this is built in. But there is a very little problem that we have to actually create the jQuery as well, the jQuery script as well. Interestingly, the tooltip is not actually the part of jQuery directly. This is a part of the jQuery UI, the specific library for the jQuery. But there we don't need to call the jQuery because everything is in the bootstrap.js. So first of all, just do the simple thing here. Add the a tag or the button, whatever you prefer. Okay, here I'm just adding the hash and data toggle tooltip. Okay, title, whatever title you want to put, cover, and then the ending tag of a, and then here tooltip on hover this anchor tag. Now let's just check it on the browser that what is we got. The simple tooltip. Now tooltip on hover this anchor tag, but nothing. We are just watching just because we didn't add the coding of the jQuery actually. So there I'm just opening the script tag and going inside this script tag and adding the $sign, and then you know that first of all we have to add the document and then .ready, document.ready, and then the function. Okay, so there I'm adding the $sign again, and then the here let's just mention the data toggle equal to tool tip. Must be clear that if the outer columns or the sorry, not the columns, the quotes, the outer quotes or the single quotes, then the inner quotes should be double quotes, or if you use the double quotes as outer side, so inner side quotes should be single, whatever. There I'm just telling that if the data toggle is tooltip, then this function tooltip should be applied. Okay, so going to the browser and refreshing. When I just hover the mouse, nothing I'm watching. Why? Because the element and the actually the text which is hovering, which is actually showing, is not showing because this is going at the top of the body actually. So first thing first, there I have to add the title. I'm just adding the title that this is the title, and I'm just going to the browser and refreshing. Now still I'm not having anything. So the problem is that, or actually how to solve the problem, just add the div here and then style. I'm just adding the height. Okay, I'm just adding the height as 50px. okay, and then just adding the some text here and saving and refreshing. Now I got the height as. Now when I just hover the mouse, you can see that this is the title. So this is called the tooltip, looking really beautiful. But there is something more you must know about the tooltip, that if I just create the tooltip in the button, I can do this as well. And interestingly, I don't need to create the jQuery script again, just one script for all the elements of the tooltip where you just want to apply the tooltips. So the data toggle, you know that the again the tooltip. Okay, adding a space and then just mention the title, and I'm just mentioning that this is the button. Whatever you want to mention you can, and then just mention the class, some specific classes for the button which is necessary for creating a beautiful button. So here the success, so there I'm just typing button or the tooltip element. Now refresh that. Now when I just hover the mouse on the button, I'm just getting the same thing here and here. That means everything is fine. Well, interestingly, we can change the position of the tooltip by just clicking there. I can change the position of the tooltip from the a tag and from the button as well, wherever I want. Well, just type the data placement. Oh, spelling mistake. placement, and then where you want to place your data. For example, bottom. Save and refresh. Now here is the top, here is the button. By default value of the data placement is the top, but I can mention the left as well or the right as well. So refresh. Now I'm getting the text on right, and here I'm just copying, or I'm just duplicating this one, and there I'm just typing right. Okay, now refresh. Now this is on the right, this is on the left. So I hope you understood both of them. All of them are really easy to understand. So this is, all these things are called the tooltip. We will learn some more things in next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.